Mahbubnagar, a name that resonates with history. Mahbubnagar is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The ancient winds seem to whisper tales of bygone eras, carrying with them the essence of a rich and diverse heritage. Nestled in the heart of Telangana, this district is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by those who seek beauty and history. It captivates visitors with its raw beauty and rich cultural heritage, offering a unique blend of natural and man-made wonders. From rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see to meandering rivers that carve their way through the land, Mahbubnagar is a testament to nature's artistry. The district's location in Telangana is significant, marking it as a central point of cultural and historical importance. It sits at the crossroads of ancient trade routes, which have shaped its destiny and contributed to its rich tapestry of cultures. This strategic location has not only influenced its historical significance, but also its economic and cultural development over the centuries. It's a melting pot of cultures where diverse traditions and customs come together to create a vibrant community, yet it retains a unique identity with its own distinct traditions, attire and crafts that set it apart. Mahbubnagar is a land of contrasts where modernity meets tradition and urban landscapes blend seamlessly with rural charm. You can find bustling towns coexisting with serene villages, each offering a glimpse into different facets of life in this remarkable district. Ancient temples stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their walls echoing with the prayers and hopes of generations. The air is abuzz with stories, each one adding to the rich tapestry of Mahbubnagar's history and culture. These stories are whispered by the wind and etched onto the land, creating an enduring legacy that continues to inspire and captivate. Mahbubnagar is characterized by its dramatic topography, a landscape that tells a story of time and nature's artistry. The vast expanse of the Deccan Plateau dominates the landscape, stretching as far as the eye can see. This ancient plateau is a testament to the Earth's geological history, with rock formations that date back millions of years. Millions of years of erosion have sculpted its unique features, creating a natural masterpiece of rugged beauty. The terrain is a mix of undulating plains and rocky outcrops, offering a diverse and captivating landscape. These are interspersed with lush green valleys where vegetation thrives amidst the rocky terrain. The hills, though not towering, provide a sense of grandeur and timelessness to the region. They rise from the plains like ancient guardians standing watch over the land. The soil here is rich and fertile, a gift of nature that supports abundant agriculture. It's nourished by the rivers that crisscross the land, bringing life and sustenance to the region. This fertile land has sustained life for centuries, supporting generations of farmers and their families. It is a testament to the delicate balance of nature, where every element plays a crucial role in maintaining harmony. Water is the lifeblood of Mahbubnagar. The mighty Krishna River, a sacred river in India, flows through the district. It brings life-giving water to its people. The river is a source of livelihood, it's a source of inspiration. Numerous tributaries and smaller rivers add to the network of waterways. They weave a watery tapestry across the land. These rivers support a diverse ecosystem. They are also crucial for agriculture. The region is dotted with man-made reservoirs. These reservoirs serve as lifelines during the dry season. They irrigate the land, they provide drinking water. They are a testament to human ingenuity. Mahbubnagar experiences a tropical climate. Hot summers and mild winters characterize the weather patterns. The monsoon season brings much-needed rainfall. It transforms the landscape. The climate plays a crucial role in shaping the region's flora and fauna. It influences the types of crops that can be grown. It dictates the rhythm of life in Mahbubnagar. The vegetation is a mix of dry, deciduous forests and thorny scrub. These forests are home to a variety of wildlife. They provide a glimpse into the wild heart of Telangana. Section 5, where nature runs wild. Mahbubnagar is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The district's diverse habitats support a rich variety of animals. These animals have adapted to the region's unique conditions. Tigers, leopards, and sloth bears roam the forests. These apex predators are a testament to the health of the ecosystem. They are a sight to behold. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the avian diversity. Colorful birds flit among the trees. Their songs fill the air. Mahbubnagar is a paradise for nature lovers. Section 6, the mighty Nallamala Hills. The Nallamala Hills dominate the landscape of Mahbubnagar. These hills are an extension of the Eastern Ghats, They are shrouded in myth and legend. They hold a special place in the hearts of the local people. The hills are home to several ancient temples and forts. These structures are a testament to the region's rich history. They offer breathtaking views. They are a must-visit for history buffs and adventure seekers alike. Trekking and hiking are popular activities in the Nalamala Hills. The trails wind through dense forests. They lead to hidden waterfalls. They offer a chance to connect with nature. Section 7. Echoes of the Past. Mahbubnagar is steeped in history. The region has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. It bears the imprints of various dynasties. Ancient temples and forts dot the landscape. They stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. The Malelajara waterfall, located in the Nalamala forest, is a popular destination. Its cascading waters create a mesmerizing spectacle. It's a sacred spot for Hindus. The Uma Maheshwaram temple is another significant landmark. It's dedicated to Lord Shiva. Pilgrims from far and wide visit this temple. They seek blessings. They marvel at its architectural grandeur. Section 8. Bounty of the Earth. Agriculture is the backbone of Mahbubnagar's economy. The fertile land produces a variety of crops. Rice, cotton and sugarcane are the mainstays. The farmers here have a deep connection with the land. They work tirelessly to feed the region. The markets are a riot of colors. They are filled with fresh produce. The aroma of spices fills the air. It's a sensory overload. It's a testament to the bounty of the earth. The government is taking steps to promote modern agricultural practices. These initiatives aim to increase yield. They aim to improve the lives of farmers. Section 9. Treasures for the traveler. Mahbubnagar has something to offer every kind of traveler. History buffs can explore ancient temples and forts. Nature lovers can immerse themselves in the region's natural beauty. Adventure seekers can embark on trekking expeditions. The Pilalamari banyan tree is a sight to behold. It's one of the oldest and largest banyan trees in the world. Its sprawling branches cover a vast area. It's a testament to the resilience of nature. The Bongir Fort, perched atop a monolithic rock, offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. It's a popular destination for trekking and rock climbing. It's a photographer's delight. Section 10. Protecting Paradise. Mahbubnagar faces significant environmental challenges. Deforestation, pollution, and the ever-looming threat of climate change are putting immense pressure on its delicate ecosystem. The once lush landscapes are now marred by human activity and natural calamities. However, efforts are underway to conserve the region's natural heritage. The government has established wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, aiming to restore and protect the environment. These initiatives are crucial in maintaining the ecological balance and ensuring the survival of various species. These protected areas provide safe havens for endangered species. They help to preserve biodiversity, offering a sanctuary where flora and fauna can thrive without the threat of human interference. The rich biodiversity in these parks is a testament to the success of these conservation efforts. Local communities are playing an active role in conservation efforts. They understand the importance of protecting their natural heritage and are deeply involved in various initiatives. From tree planting drives to community meetings, their participation is vital in ensuring the success of these projects. They are working towards a sustainable future by adopting eco-friendly practices. Sustainable farming, the use of solar energy, and promoting eco-friendly products are just a few ways they are making a difference. Mahbubnagar is a land of contrasts where tradition meets innovation. It's a land of beauty and resilience. It's a land where history comes alive and the spirit of the people shines through. The scenic landscapes and historic sites tell stories of a rich past and a hopeful future. It's a land that captures the imagination. It's a land waiting to be explored, offering endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. Mahbubnagar is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of nature and history.